Hello everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. Just a short quick review here of a funky designed lighter I have for you guys, which I bought from Amazon. And make sure to check it out on Amazon using the affiliate link below, as I am now part of the Amazon Associates program. So link in the description below. This is the lighter. I'm just going to unwrap it for you guys here. You can see you have an indication of what it may look like. Yes, that is right. It's going to look like a Lamborghini. And yeah, so we have some markings here. This tells you that this is compliant. Different colors available, although this one is none of these colors actually. Let's open it up. Lo and behold, here we have our own Lamborghini lighter. Not necessarily for smoking, you can use this for other purposes as well. See, looks exactly like a Lamborghini. I must add that this looks like the Lamborghini Aventador model more closely, and this is in a gunmetal color. And how does it open? Like this. Very satisfying click, isn't it? How do you turn it on? See this LED light over here? There we go. And you charge it via USB, which is over here. And they have provided a cord inside. Check this out. See, they have this cord here that connects right in, just like you're refueling a car. You connect this port to any USB power source and it will charge it up. And how do you know it's charged? You look at the lights. There are two blinking lights right now, which means it's half charged. If it goes up to 4, it means it's fully charged. Quick little review of a nice little lighter for you guys. Please subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more content. Again, if you want this lighter, you can click on the link below. It will take you to the Amazon Associate link that I have, and then you can purchase this very nice lighter from that link. Take care. Bye-bye.